Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And now I will be solving the lead code easy question. This question is how many numbers are smaller than the current number. This is lead code number 1365. The problem statement is the given the array nums for each nums of I, find out how many numbers in the array are smaller than it. That is, for each num of I, you have to count the number of valid j's such that j not equal to I and nums of j is less than nums of I. So if you just see then example, in this example nums are given 8, 1, 2, 2, 3. So number of elements which are less than 8 are 1, 2, 2, 3, means 4. This is 4. Number of elements less than 1 are 0. Number of elements less than 2 are 1, only 1 is there. Number of elements less than 2 is 1, and number of elements less than 3 are 3, because 1, 2, 2. So this thing we need to implement. Similarly, another question. So what we have did is I have created an resultant array of num.length in order to store the result. So I am iterating from I equal to 0 to less than nums of length, which is the length of nums array, and in this I have initialized count equal to 0 for each. Then I am iterating from j to nums.length, and if this index are not same, then only we are just checking, because as the number will be same. So I not equal to j and nums of j less than array of I. So then we will be counting instances, count plus plus, and then we are storing the result. This will keep on happening until I will be equal to nums.length minus 1. So it will iterate up to that, and it will store the result and will return the result. So we'll check for one. We will be executing this for all the question this question. So we have resultant array of 5. Nums.length is 5. For I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Int we have initialized count equal to 0. Now for int j less than nums.length, j plus plus. So in the first iteration, array of I is nums of I is 8. Okay, and this will since 0 is not equal to 0, so this will not happen. Now again it will come for 1, whether j will be 1, then it will check whether I is not equal to j. Yes, 0 is not equal to 1, and nums of j is less than array of I. Nums of I. So nums of j is nums of j is 1. 1 is less than 8. Yes, it is. Count plus plus. Then it will go to 2. 2 is less than 8. Now count will become 2. Again 2 is less than 8. Then now count will become 3. 3 is less than 8. Count will become 4. And now it will store to the index 0. This will be keep happening until this I becomes 4. So let's check whether this solution is executed or not. Yes, it is getting passed, but it is not quite fast. It's only brute force approach. I will be putting for other approaches which will be faster than this in the next upcoming videos. Thank you.